Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll be making a owl doodling art. So let's enjoy doodling. For making this, I am using a mixed media A4 size paper. You can use any media of your choice as your base.
So here I am pasting masking tape to get a perfect edge. Using a compass, make a circle. Then use white acrylic color in the center. Use a flat brush to pick up the acrylic color. Next I am using a sky blue acrylic color. After that I am using a Prussian blue acrylic color. You can use blue acrylic color. For the edges, I am using black acrylic color. We have to use black little amount so that the picture doesn't become very dark. After applying, start blending from the edges towards the center. Use a brush that has soft bristles to get a great blending effect. Generally, soft bristle brushes make your blending very easy and enjoyable. To get that glowy moonlight effect, use little bit of white at the center. I am applying little amount of white again so that it appears little bit glowy. After blending in the center, we'll move to the edges. I am applying little amount of Prussian blue as it has become lighter. Now blend the black color near the borderline to make a smooth effect. After blending, we will leave it for drying. As the base is dried up, I am using a thick marker to make the branches and the eyes of the owl. And for making the body, I am using a brushed fine liner. You can use any marker available in the market. After making the outline, you can fill in with designs as per your choice. Here I am making the outline bold so that the picture pop out. After making the outline, we can do intricate work as per our choice. In ancient Greece, the owl was a symbol of higher wisdom, and it was also a guardian of the Acropolis. People generally consider owl as a symbol of wisdom and knowledge. After filling in the outline, it is time for the eyes. I am using a white Gelly Roll pen to make the eyes. You can use any acrylic color. To make the lips, I am using a thin fine liner. You can use your markers. After finishing, remove the masking tape carefully. So here's our cute little owl is ready.
I hope you liked today's video, and for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.